Okay, so intro to environment. Right, so instructions. In the terminal, type nano hello.txt. Okay, in nano, at the top of the window, type hello. I am nano. Okay. So using the menu at the top, at the bottom of the terminal for reference, type in Control plus O. Okay. The keys are not case sensitive, so don't worry. Press Enter, then Control X. Okay. To exit nano. Finally, type cat hello.txt. Hello, I am nano. Okay, so nano, the environment. Let's start off with instructions. Open artist /hiphop.txt with nano. So we're going to start off with nano artist /hiphop.txt. Open that up. In this open file, add Kendrick Lamar. So Kendrick with Lamar. The first line. Okay, then finally type in cat artists /hiphop.txt. Is it Kendrick Lamar? Okay, bash profile. Okay, so the tilde represents the user's home directory. The period indicates a hidden file. The name tilde / period # profile is important, since this is how the command line recognizes the bash profile. To open and edit the bash profile, you can use the command nano tilde / bash _ profile. When you edit the profile, you can add commands to execute every time a new terminal session is started. So, for example, if you have an echo statement in the bash profile, then that will echo when a terminal session begins to activate the changes made in. Okay, so let's edit the environment settings in the terminal. Type nano tilde. I haven't used tilde in a long time. Nano tilde dot bash profile. But so in underscore for tilde / dot bash _ profile, at the top of the file type in echo and then welcome window. Okay, and then Control O to save, enter, Control X. Then once you've exited Nano and are back in the terminal, press enter. Finally, to see the greeting, immediately use source. Untitled /bash underscore profile. Welcome, Jane Doe. Okay, so next, Aliases 1. This is the environment pw equal to current working directory, I guess. So instructions number 1, let's continue configuring the environment by adding command aliases open this .bash underscore profile. Nano. So on a new line type alias pd pwd. Save the changes and exit Nano O within Nano, right? So alias, what alias? Save that and exit out. There you go. Right, so to make alias in the current terminal sessions, type in source just to check the name. Welcome changer. Let's try out the alias, type in pd. Alias 2. So we're going to open bash with nano. So tool /bash underscore profile. Right, in the bash profile beneath the previous alias, add alias hy for the command history. Okay. In the bash profile, okay, we got that. On the next line, add the alias 11 for command ls. On the next line, add 11 for the command ls and save it. Okay. Saved. Enter. And we're gonna save the file and close out of Nano. Once you've exited Nano and are back in the terminal, press enter. We're going to start off with Nano. Tools. Oh, we're already in. Okay, so we're going to start with alias, which is hy is for history. Then alias, which is LL for Alesla. If I'm not mistaken, the first one was alias PD for PWD. Right, so go ahead and save that. Then that was the wrong file, man. So it was nano tools / .bash underscore profile. So alias PD and this will become oh, see, nothing. Oh, there you go. Luckily. Right, so number 3, in the command line, use source to activate the changes. So source bash underscore profile. Welcome Fabio. Try out alias HW. Source HW. Or rather, then source allow. That's it. We're done for now.